Amtech, welcome to my channel. You can use Blue DV by PA7LIM with your Kenwood D75. These are your settings. Select your COM. M0FXB is my call sign. Enable DSTAR, and at the bottom there in the module, just select your B and tick those two boxes. You need to put the radio in terminal mode. Just go menu, navigate to the star, and then go down to DV gateway, and then just make sure that's turned on. Menu, go to settings, then also go to interface. Select interface, and I would just put all of these onto USB, but the main one is DV gateway USB. Now just turn on where it says serial, and DSTAR should automatically come on. If it doesn't automatically come on,